Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss about a new chapter, chapter number 4, triangles. It is very important. Now our topic is similar triangle, but we already studied about congruent figure in class 9 or previous class. Two geometrical figures having length, breadth, which have the same shape and size. As for if equilateral triangle, then both triangle are equilateral. If rectangle, both are rectangle, and their size are same, then sides of equilateral triangles must be equal, or length and breadth of first rectangle is equal to length breadth of second rectangle respectively. This type of figure is called congruent figure. Again, congruent figures, two geometric figures which have the same shape, and size. Shape means if a figure is rectangle, then other figure also be rectangle. And size, that means each and every sides of first triangle is equal to the other respective triangle, are known as congruent figure. This topic we already studied in previous class 9, and our next topic is similar figure. Similar figure means geometric figures which have the same shape, That means if you take rectangle, then other geometrical figure also be rectangle. Rectangle to rectangle, and triangle, then you take other way geometrical figure is also triangle. But different size. But in congruent figure, shape and size are same. But in similar figure, same shape but different sizes are known as similar figures. Here is some important facts of similar figures. Two congruent figures are always similar. If you already seen your topaz blade, Wilkinson blade, all blades have just look like same by shape and size. All congruent figures are similar. This is very important. Two congruent figures are always similar, but two similar figures did not congruent. That means, what is the condition for congruency or congruent? If you take triangle, then other also be triangle, but their size are not equal to this respective triangle. So two congruent figures are always similar, but two similar figures did not be congruent. Example, any two line segments are similar. That means what? Line segments having two endpoints. A and B is line segment because it has two endpoints. If it is 5 cm, then other P and Q are is a line segment which magnitude is also 5 cm. Then these lengths are equal to each other, and AB overlap PQ. If AB put on PQ or PQ put on AB, then AB or PQ overlap each other, then any two line segments are similar, then that means line segment AB is similar. This is the sign of similar PQ. Okay. Now any two equivalent triangles are similar. Any two equilateral triangles are similar. We know that already. Equilateral triangle having equal side, all sides are equal, and each angles is 60 degree. Any two rectangles are similar. Any two rectangles are similar. That means if there is no factors of these and this size and size. This is rectangle. If A, B, C, D is rectangle and having 5 cm length and 2 cm breadth, then other rectangle PQRS having length 10 cm and breadth 4 cm is also similar rectangle, because these angles are, each and every angles are 90 degree in a rectangle. Okay. And next, any two squares are similar. Any two squares, we know that square are that type of geometrical figure having all sides are equal and each angle of a square is 90 degree. That means that any two squares are similar. Any two circles are also be similar. This point is very important for examination type of view. Any two circles are similar. Circle is made up by radius or center. Any two circles are similar. This is very important. Dear students, you must learn this topic, and these points is the key of this chapter, triangle. So please learn and take a screenshot. Now the next topic is similar polygon. Polygon means having many sides. Poly means many and gons means side. You already studied in previous class 8. Polygon. Similar polygons. Two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles mean, if you take A, B, C, D polygon, it is also called rectangle, and other polygon D, E, F, G, H is also a same polygon. That means is a rectangle, then E, F, G, H also rectangle. Then AB is the corresponding side of EF and AD is the corresponding side of EH. Similarly, dear student, BC is the corresponding side of HG and the corresponding side of CB or BC is GF or FG. Okay? And corresponding angles mean what? Angle, this angle. Angle A is corresponding angle of angle E. Angle B is corresponding to F, and C is G and D is H respectively, corresponding angles. And the second point, the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. The lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. Dear student, you know what is corresponding sides, and proportional means their ratios are equal. Their EF equal to AD by EH and DC by HG equal to BC by FG. All the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Then we said that the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. And nota below, admin the denote stand on nota below. The symbol this stands for is similar to. Dear student, this is a sign of similarity. So you tell this sign is similar to. That means this time in this rectangle you note rectangle A, B, C, D or polygon is similar to E, F, G, H. This sign is stand for is similar to. Now equiangular triangle. Since triangles are a special type of polygon, we may define similar triangles as follows. Equiangular triangles. Eq means what? Eq means equal. And angular, that means each angle of triangle is equal to the other angles of other triangles of their corresponding angles. Then triangles are called equiangular. Okay, two triangles are said to be equiangular. If their corresponding angles are equal. That means in equilateral triangle, if their shapes are equal, then equilateral triangles, but their sides are not equal, then A, B, C and PQ are equilateral triangle having all angles are equal 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree, but their shapes, that means length of AB does not equal to PQ. Then this condition, angles are equal to each other of respective angle or corresponding angle, and that means angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree, angle B equal to angle Q equal to 60 degree, angle C equal to angle R equal to 60 degree. This type of triangles is called equiangular triangles. Dear student, again attention, two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are equal. And now the very important topic. This topic is too important to solve the question of this chapter and prove all the theorems. So dear student, concentrate. This is the very important topic, launching your chapter 4, similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar. To each other if the first condition is their corresponding angles are equal. Dear student, you take a triangle ABC and other triangle PQR. If this is 100 degree and this is 50 degree and this is 30 degree. If the measurement of angle P is also 100 degree, 50 degree and R is 30 degree, then all the corresponding angles are equal of both triangles. Angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree. Angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree, say 100 degree. Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 50 degree, and angle C equal to angle R equal to 30 degree. Dear student, concentrate. All the corresponding angles are equal to each other. Then two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal. Here is equal to all corresponding angles of both triangles. And the second point, their corresponding sides are proportional. Dear student, we already discussed here proportional. Here their corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by PQ. AB by PQ, because corresponding side of AB is PQ. So proportional, that means ratio AB equal to PQ, BC by QR equal to AC by PR. If this condition follow any two triangles, then triangles must be similar, not congruent. Similar. ठीक है dear student? Therefore, with sign triangle ABC similar to this sign is stand for similar to triangle PQR. Okay, dear student, in next video we discuss results of similar triangles. I will discuss basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. This theorem is very important for examination. It is very important school examination or board examination. So, dear student, if you not watch my videos, you cheat itself. So, if you like these videos, please subscribe Angel High School Urban. Press bell icon button and like our videos. Thank you for continue watch. Stay tuned.